Alright everyone, welcome back to Dobson video. So recently I just saw this post about the pre-qualification which is live, and for you to participate on this, alright, now you can see right here I'm just going to automatically copy the link of this and also share this to our channel. Alright, now we have an official channel which I basically share update with people, and if you have any question you can come over here and ask me, and I'm going to actually help you out by sharing with you guys how to basically go ahead with the pre-qualification. All right, so every single thing you basically just need to do is going to be provided right here for you. So let me quickly we update this post right here so that we all can have access to it. Now this is the same thing that is being posted on the official channel. All right, and the reason why I'm posting it right here, you can come over to the channel, to the CX.io family right here and ask me question, but this is the official channel right here where I saw the post. Now one thing I want to actually share with you guys about this interesting update is you automatically get access to join the pre-qualification. This is what you're going to be doing. You're going to head over straight to the portal to complete your pre-qualification and you get some questions. So on the portal, all right, so there are a few things you're going to be doing. Now they're going to ask you to they're going to welcome you to their engagement tools, right? So you can click on get started. Now the other things you also basically introduce to try as much as possible to share out your link. This is your invite link right over here. All right, now once you're able to share out your invite link, you basically get to like increase your number of people. So I'm going to be sharing this link to the community right now. All right, so I want a lot of people to follow up with this update because this is something that you can easily get your hands on, so you can automatically follow up and see every single thing I'm doing. I just posted this on the CX.io family channel which I created, and you can see right here. So I'm going to type in join pre-qualification right now. You can see right now, so every single thing that you basically need is going to be provided for you, and you can get full information about the pre-qualification. So this is what you're going to be doing to basically complete your pre-qualification. You come to the airdrop session right over here. So you have to connect your Telegram, and your wallet session is also required. So the first thing you have to do is to click right here to like connect your Telegram, right? So you have to connect your Telegram, and once you have your Telegram connected, you're going to see right here that it has automatically been marked. Then on the other hand, you have to connect your wallet. So these are the list of wallets you can connect to your account. So you can either use your Phantom wallet, or you can either use any other wallet which you basically have listed down right there. All right, so right here you can type in your email address which you use to create an account on the airdrop. So you can see my email address at the top right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over straight to this spot. Then I'm going to type in the email address. All right, so let me quickly type in my email address right now, and once I'm able to complete every single steps, then they're going to ask to send me a code, and I'll have to provide those code right over here. So this is a code right here. All right, so you can see the code 952. All right, so we'll come over here, we'll type 952, and we'll have to basically go get the code. All right, so let me try and see 952963. All right, so 963. Then we'll have to confirm that, and after confirming that, right, so we are automatically going to be able to connect our wallet. So let's say we connect the wallet, and that is basically all right, so the next step you basically need to follow up right now is for you to go over and subscribe to their channel. By clicking on this section, you're automatically subscribing to their channel, and there's going to be a video posted. So this video has actually been posted for about 23 hours right now, and what you're going to do is for you to watch this video, you're going to be getting a code from here. So quickly let me get the code, and then I'll head back to share with you guys what to do. Alright guys, so after getting the code successfully, what I'm going to do is just to paste down the code right here. I already have the code, so let's see if I can actually paste it down. Okay, since I can't paste it down, let's just go straight. Okay, you can see right now automatically, so code is deflated, usage limit has been reached. So this particular code has already been deflated, so the usage limit has been reached. So we're going to try again a new one. All we have to do is just to wait, Now once the new code gets listed out, or once the new code comes out, you can basically follow up and get access to the new code. All right, so that is basically all you need to know. Just stay active on our channel. I'm going to actually share with you guys how to get the code, and you can see right here on our official channel. You can see right here, you can see that I posted the code right over here. All right, so you can get access to the code if you are active on the cx.io family channel, which I created. I'll be linking this channel in the description so you can get access to it, and every single thing is going to be running smooth and easy. So stay tuned for more updates like this, and wish you guys all the best.